Hey, we're on site of our newest custom build in Manford, Oklahoma. As you see, we got some equipment here, got dumpsters. We are clearing out the old and it's gonna be in with the new. This particular house, it had burned down in some wildfires. So we've been tearing down the rubble from the original house. And next up is pad prep. And then after that, we got footers. So it's gonna be a great ride. Let's watch. Well, as you can see, we have got all this house taken down and now we have the site leveled. Forms are up. Here, I'll show you this. Forms are up. The footers have been poured around this whole property. You can see them here. And now what we're doing is the rough-in plumbing. We got our plumbing, Tommy Merrick at Merrick Plumbing Solutions, running all this rough-in plumbing. We'll have a little bit of rough-in electrical work next. And then after that, we have the concrete slab. So we're moving right along. Today's the day we are pouring this concrete slab. After the concrete, we then go into structural, like getting the framing done, the roof on, siding, getting everything all dried in. So it's gonna be a lot of fun here really soon. This is gonna be, go from a slab to what looks like a house. All right, material was delivered. We have trusses over here. Walls have officially started. So it's not quite done yet, but we are getting there. We still got trusses to go up. We still got sheathing to go up, windows, lots left, but dadgum, we are starting to have a structure, and let's see what's next. Just like that, we have a framed up house. Check this thing out. We have a framed up house. It's got the roof deck on. It's got the tarp all the way around. So we have brick next, and then we have roof, and then we have a like siding that'll come on. But let's go check it out inside, shall we? All right. So we're walking in. We have a nice kitchen area, living room. This right here is a bedroom. You got a closet. We've got a coat closet here at this point. And then we're walking through the rest of the house. We've got another like linen closet here. We've got laundry here, water heater, closet, and then moving forward, we've got another bedroom here with a closet. And going on, we have a nice big bathroom here. And then this is like an office area, if you will. Maybe used as a second bedroom. I think they want it as an office. And going into the master suite, we have a nice large master bedroom. Nice large master bath. Got dual vanities here. That'll be a shower. We got a toilet room, and we got a nice large closet. So we'll go check out inside. We're gonna squeeze through the walls here. And then we have right here a nice large pantry. So, like I said, next up is gonna be brick, roof deck, siding. Well, as you can tell, we are certainly coming along here in Manford. An absolutely beautiful wainscot, brick wainscot around the house, just gorgeous. We got the siding up, windows are all in, roof is on. It looks great. Let's go check it out. So we have had the MEP stage in, which is the mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and we've also had spray foam insulation. So we're catching it right before drywall. Let's go check her out. So again, just some beautiful brickwork all the way around the house. We love this wainscot. And again, just a great Great. We got lots of houses going up in this neighborhood from the fire, so it's a nice little busy place. All right, we're walking in, and as you can tell, we have got wires, we've got boxes, switch boxes. This particular customer is going to do some stained concrete, so all the floors are covered to protect them for paint. And I mean, look at this thing, totally encapsulated. Spray foam insulation is just looking good. You'll be able to heat this thing with a candle. Just absolutely incredible. So again, like I said, we've got plumbing that's roughed in. We have got tubs set. We have got HVAC that is all set in place. You got all the exhaust fans and the air returns, registers, everything. They even spray foamed around the tub, keep that water warm. So it is just about, I mean, it is ready for drywall now. It's been shaved up. It looks real good. So drywall it is. That is the next stage, is the drywall. Let's check out what it looks like there. And just like that, we have paint on the exterior. Looks absolutely gorgeous. This place looks incredible. I love the paint choices that they went with. Oh, whoops. Let's turn it. Absolutely beautiful, gorgeous. So, since the last time we were just in here, just a second ago, we've got paint and we have drywall. Drywall is officially in and has been textured, sealing. So now you really get to feel what this home is like, right? This is a great room, your large living, kitchen's right there. You've got a pantry here to your right. So you really get to feel the size of it. It's gonna be great. You got a bedroom right here. So bedroom right off the living space with a closet. 9-foot ceilings, big windows. Walking through the hall, you've got a little coat closet. You got a coat closet there, a linen closet here. And then there is laundry here. These guys have 2 laundry space hookups there. It's gonna be great. I did that at my personal house. And then we've got bedroom here. And we've got the hall bath. Yep. And we've got another bedroom here. And moving on, we've got the master. Nice large master bedroom. Opens up into the master bath. We got dual vanities here. We got shower that's getting waterproofed right now. Water closet, toilet room, whatever you want to call it. And then nice big walk-in closet. So yeah, that's how it's going here. It's being killer. We got flooring prep's gonna happen next. They're gonna be prepping the floors to get stained. And then we have our tile guys getting ready to do his stuff. So we're cruising on it and then paint the inside. And man, we're gonna try and get this home to these customers by the end of this month, which it's beginning of October right now. So can't wait to get this one done for them. And just like that, new driveway here in Manford. And this place is wrapping up this week. And it's gonna be absolutely incredible for them. I can't wait. Let's check it out inside. Nice gold fixtures on. The floors have been done. Countertops are in. It is absolutely beautiful. We got lights coming on. Look at these countertops. Oh my gosh, you got beautiful gold drawer pulls. Absolutely a beautiful house. I love the dark cabinets. It's This is just a gorgeous house. Through, we got carpet padding down, just got the carpet left. Very, very few things. Got a final clean we've got to do. Love the gold fixtures. Just beautiful. Oh my goodness. And check out this. Look at this house. Look at this in here. Beautiful gold inlay. I love the colors they picked. Just stunning. And big old closet. The closet's in. Look at that. Dang. And then check out this awesome, like, whatever that is, the cool wall. I can't think of it right now, but accent wall, just beautiful. We're gonna check out the backyard. Backyard got graded out and a new fence installed. Yeah, look at that new fence. Still a lot of stuff going, but a lot of cleanup left, but look at that big, beautiful fence. And just like that, we are done in Manford. Keys have been turned over to the customer and they are thrilled, moving in tomorrow. So check out the finished product here in Manford. All right, starting on the outside, we have this newly poured circle drive here. We got new sod installed. There's the wife right there. We got metal roof, brick wainscot, Hardie board siding, these beautiful rough cedar posts. We have gutters, new fence. Let's make our way inside, shall we? All right, walking in, we have these beautiful stained floors, absolutely gorgeous, stained and sealed. This is the nice large living room. We're gonna go into one of the bedrooms here. It's got a fun accent wall, absolutely love that. A lot of extras in this house for sure. And we are continuing to roll through. We're gonna go this way. We're gonna go into the laundry. We got dual laundry machines right here. So we roughed that out for dual machines. Beautiful prep space. Love these countertops. Moving along, we've got bedroom number 2 here. Nice wide door for the closets. And then we have got the hall bath here. Nice large bath. Got the insert. Just love the gold fixtures throughout the house. And then we have bedroom number 3. So in the master, you can see we've got the carpet laid, fans are all installed, everything is done. So this is the master bedroom here. And then we have double doors into the master bath. I really just love how these floors turned out. They're just beautiful. You've got this gorgeous double vanity, lots of gold accents, just such a classy look. Love the granite they picked. And then we have a large tile tile shower surround, beautiful gold Schluter gold railing for the glass slider. I mean, it's just beautiful. I love the niche, love the tile work, just gorgeous. We have a little water closet here. Yeah, got a window, ventilation. And then we have a large master closet. Goes up, lots of hanging space, lots of storage. This is a great closet. And that way you got plenty of shoe storage, boot storage, whatever you need. I would kill for this closet. Moving on. Back into the large living area here. They're gonna hang an electric fireplace there. But we've got this beautiful kitchen. It's a large island, got the granite. We just love it. Got all the appliances in. Beautiful gold fixtures. I just love the drawer pulls, love this faucet. It just looks so sharp. So moving along, cabinets installed, and then we have a nice large pantry, lots of space. Now let's check out the outside. We're outside, and as you can see, like I said, brand new fence all the way around. We've got all new sod. This whole place has been leveled, cleared out. We got a new Generac generator over there. Like I said, lots and lots of extras here. Super good. We're gonna go check it out. We'll work the numbers inside. All right, let's talk numbers on this one. So this one was a lot of extras. This was a fire victim from early on in the year, so a lot of things had to go in before we could even build. A lot of demo, a lot of expensive haul off, just a lot of costs that went heavily into it. The home pretty much sits around 275, 274-ish. So we'll walk through that home. We've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, nice large living space. We have got a beautiful master suite, just absolutely gorgeous. Large walk-in closet. We have got beautiful tile tub surround. You've got the laundry, dual laundry. You've got in the front yard, you have got the circle drive. That was something that we added. Sod was added. Whole new fence was added. There's going to be a big shed that we're going to build that's going to be included on this price here. That's going to be delivered and installed and set up, all that stuff here later after their move in. We put a brand new Generac generator in, so emergencies, power goes out, you have that. So everything all in, and that includes the demo of busting out the old slab, the old foundation, hauling it off, all these extras, the home, metal roof, brick, wainscot, all of that. We got them for $335,000. And we're super excited to turn the keys over. That's going to them today, move-ins tomorrow. So can't wait to see you on the next build.